Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FET price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Today I uploaded FET, of course, before the pump on X. Of course, if you are following on X, therefore you, of course, have seen this trade toward the upside, which it has unfolded perfectly with the analysis. And I, of course, know that this channel is full with FET supporters. So here we go. I'm gonna do also during this pump for FET a small analysis again to see what it might happen at this area, because of course in my analysis it is of course a potential finished wave 5, potential finished wave C as well for the 1-to-1 fib level after this pump. However, it is not ending there. We still in 1, 2, 3, and you're looking still for wave 4 and a 5. And this might unfold, of course, an extended wave toward the upside for a wave 5 here after having a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Extended wave 5, at least to reach the 1.27, that would be perfect. As a next target, of course, for a wave 3. And that means, of course, at least we need this target here, 0.78. To reach the wave 3, of course, which it might be reached already with a 4 and a 5 still, in case we finish a wave 3 with this skyrocket here, which is one of the most impulsive waves during the whole trend toward the upside right now. Yeah, so that is a very good signal, of course, for FET. Therefore, we might still, of course, looking for higher, and it might be our wave 3. So if you take a look also at the volume, here we go, we can see the high amount of volume in this move towards the upside, which is of course, yeah, a signal of a wave 3, right? So 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Therefore, no financial advice, of course, guys, but yeah, the next target for FET are the following blue box, and I'm looking at minimum target 1.27. Normal target is a 1.618. Yep, so these are the updates for FET. The bigger overview is, of course, if you remember our blue box that we mentioned since many times and more than 1 month on this channel. We were waiting for this opportunity, which it should be, of course, a bull trend, at least corrective or impulsive. Yeah, so we're gonna have, of course, still a crossroad in this area to check if we are still corrective in bear market, or are we going to continue for the all-time high here. Yeah, so these are the scenarios, but basically we still on the nice path toward the upside to finish at least, of course, a wave 1 or a wave A, and it's gonna be discovered at this area, and we're gonna get an answer, of course, later on in this area, of course, guys. No financial advice again. Of course, these are the bullish and the bearish scenario, but you know, in a bigger view, we are already in 3 bullish scenarios, main scenarios for FET. And in case we are bearish, I'm looking, of course, for at least a reasonable retracement rebound in 3 ways before we move down. Yeah, so this is, of course, what I see on the chart based on Elliott wave analysis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and don't forget to follow on X. You might have missed also these updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.